Hi B Block, here is the concept that we discovered today, that the Pythagoreans figured out, that Mr. Pythagoras discovered. Remember that he was playing around with blocks one day and he figured out a relationship in a particular kind of triangle. Okay, so if you guys look on the inside there, it's a right angled triangle. And he took blocks where the one side length was 5 blocks, the other side length was 4, and the other one was 3. And what he did was he took that side length of that amount of blocks and he made a square on each side length. So this square has one side length of 4 and the other of 4 because it's a square, so the side lengths are the same. And so the total area of that square is 16 blocks. And if you count the blocks, you will actually find 16 blocks. For this side, he found the same thing. 3 blocks by 3 blocks gave me a total area of 9 blocks. And if you count them up, it'll also give you 9 blocks. So I can say here 4 squared is the area of that square, which is 16. And 3 squared is the area of that square, which is 9. He did the same thing with the third side length of this triangle. And he said 5 blocks times 5 blocks gives me a total area of 25 blocks. And again, if you add all the blocks together, you will get a total of 25 blocks. Then he figured out that if you take these 9 blocks and you add them to these 16 blocks, that the sum of 9 and 16 is 25. And he proved that by actually putting the blocks together. So what we're saying here is that these 9 blocks here plus these 16 blocks is exactly the same thing as the 25 blocks in total. So those areas combined is the same as this area. So I'm going to quickly write that out for you now. If I were to recreate the triangle, there's a long side of the triangle here, and then there was a side length of 3 and a side length of 4. So remember, we've got 4 here, and we've got 3, and on this side, the side length